how to connect a PlayStation 4 controller to a PS4. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to connect a PS4 controller to a PS4 console, as you can see here. Now, the reason I'm making this video is because I know that there are some newbies out there who are brand new to PlayStation 4. I know it's a lot of you guys who play Xbox. As you can see, I have the Xbox One console over there. And a lot of you guys just want to know the basics of the PlayStation 4 because you probably just purchased one. Maybe you purchased one for Christmas. Maybe you got you one for Black Friday. But anyway, this video is for you guys, all right? So basically, to hook your PlayStation 4 controller up to your to your PS4 console, all you're gonna do is get this cable right here. I don't know if you guys, it should have came with your PlayStation 4 when you purchased it, but this type of cable right here. You're gonna take this cable. Let me turn off this controller first. Hold on. Turn this controller off real quick first. Give me 1 second, guys. All right, so this controller is off. What you're gonna do, you're gonna take this cable, you're gonna plug it into your PlayStation 4 console. This is the PlayStation 4 Pro. You can do this on the PlayStation 4, the regular one. It all works the same. Just plug it into the console. All right. And once you have plugged it in, all you're going to do is take this end right here, put it inside of your controller. Like that. All right. And you should see the light come on. Now, all you're going to do to pair it is hit this PlayStation button in the middle of your controller. Just hold it and boom, it comes on. Now, when the light shows blue, that means that the controller is connected, it's paired. The first controller is blue, okay? If you wanted to hook up a second controller, you would just take this out. Let's say you had two controllers. You would take this out, the first one, and you'll just plug this into the second controller, and then you'll hit that button again. And that's going to turn on that's going to pair the second controller to your PlayStation 4 console. All right, that is how you hook it up. Now, a lot of people out there, you're probably going to want to know how to hook it up using Bluetooth. You know, sometimes you don't want to plug it into the thing here. So I'll show you guys how to hook it up as Bluetooth as well. So what you're going to do to hook it up as Bluetooth, right? Let me turn it off first. Hold on. I'll show you. To turn it off, by the way, you just hold down the share button and the middle of your controller, the little PlayStation sign, and you just hold it down until it turns off. That's how you turn the PlayStation 4 controller off, by the way. Now, to use Bluetooth, right, you want to hook it up on Bluetooth. You need to already hook up one of the controllers and have it on already. Like, make sure you already plugged this in and turned on the controller or something. But anyway, to hook it up to Bluetooth, you really going to push this button here, the share button, and this button at the same time to make the light start flashing. All right. When the light is flashing, that means that it's in pairing mode. And when it's in pairing mode, it's basically searching for your PlayStation 4 console. So all you got to do at this point is I think you gotta let me plug this up. You gotta have, how I did it, you gotta have a controller plugged up already. Hold on. Let me see. Let me plug up one of these controllers. Come on. Let's see. Let me hook this up like this real quick. Hit this button. All right, it's hooked up. So what you're gonna do, Return to free battle menu. I'm trying to get to the regular PlayStation page. All right, here it is. All right, so what you're gonna do? Let's say you have this controller already hooked up. So and you want to hook another one up through Bluetooth, right? What you're gonna do is go to your TV. You're gonna go to settings with the controller that's already hooked up, because you want to hook up a second controller. So you're gonna go to settings, and once you get on settings, you're gonna go down to devices, and once you hit devices, you're gonna go to Bluetooth devices. All right, Bluetooth devices. And then this is where on the other controller, I don't have two controllers, so I'm trying to explain this as clear as I can to you guys. On your other controller, what you're gonna do is you're gonna hit the share button in the middle of the PlayStation controller at the same time. And then it's gonna start pairing, and it's gonna pop up on your screen right here. And when it pops up, you just go down, click on it, and connect device. That's all you have to do to pair it with Bluetooth. All right. So, but the best method, guys, is just to use this cord right here, because what this cord allows you to do is allows your PlayStation to charge. I mean, your PlayStation 4 controller to charge at the same time. And one thing I noticed about this, I noticed that the PlayStation 4 controller doesn't really use batteries, which is interesting because the Xbox controller uses batteries. But anyway, you just use this cord. I recommend using the cord, and then you could take the cord out. Of course, you don't have to leave it in. But if you want to just pair it real easy, just stick the cord in, take it out, and then, you know, you should be able to play your game. Let's go to the game real quick. Hit start. And let me see, let me play the game. Okay. Just make sure everything working properly. Versus battle. Let's go to versus. But yeah, as you guys can see, the controller is paired to the PlayStation 4 console, and the game is working pretty good, which means that you got a solid connection. All right, so let me hit start. Hit start real quick. But yeah, as you guys can see, that's a solid connection. So you can do either way you want, whatever way you're comfortable with. I know it's a lot of you guys who rather use Bluetooth. There's a lot of you guys who rather use the cord. I personally like the cord because it's as simple as, like I say, let me turn it off. Let me show y'all how to turn it off one more time. You would hit the share button and the middle button at the same time. You would just hold it. Hold it. Just hold it like that. Keep holding it. Hold it until it goes off. There it is. See? That's how you turn your controller off. And then, like I say, best way to connect it, pair it real quick. Take this cord right here. And you can get this cord from anywhere. If you don't have one of these cords, I would recommend that you go to Amazon. I forget what the name of this cord is, but just type in PS4 controller cord or something like that. You can go to Google and type it in, but you need one of these cords if you don't have one. GameStop should have gave you guys one. If you didn't get one from GameStop, try going to Walmart to get one, or maybe even the pawn shop. They may even have some free ones for you. So you could just ask around. But you need this cord, man. It's like, to me, I rather just have this cord. It's real easy. All right, you plug it in right there. Once you have it plugged in, you're good to go. Now personally, I will buy about 2 or 3 of these cords just to have extra ones. Let me say this before I go to. If your controller doesn't hook up, it could be because this is messed up. This little port right here that you plug it into. And if this is messed up, then you're gonna have to hook it up using Bluetooth. All right, so hopefully your controller works though, because all you gotta do again is stick this in there and you're good to go. Just hit that middle button and you are good to play. All right, so hopefully this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up. It will help my channel grow a lot. Be sure to subscribe. I got more videos coming in the future. I will be getting the PlayStation 5, so if you're interested in seeing videos about the PlayStation 5, be sure to subscribe.